Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video we shall see what media uploads means on Snapchat. So if you head over to your Snapchat application, then come to your gallery there. So take for example you want to upload a picture from your gallery onto your Snapchat, maybe story or something. So what you're going to do is simple. Take an example. I have people in my chats over here, so I'll look for my friends in my chats. Okay, so just click on the friend section there, and now what I'll do, I'll send one of my snaps to one of my friends. So when I send them to one of my friends, it will appear like a media upload. So I click on one person there, then I just click on this icon here, then I can say I can come to my memories, then I'll select that photo, then I'll click on send. Then when I click on send, this photo go to this person over here, who's called Found. And when Found receives this photo, it will come as a media upload. So that's basically what is meant by the media upload. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, we shall meet.